1989 Suzuki Quad Runner 250 carburetor. Tear down.
Is that good, Jackson?
Should be if there's none of that gunk left on it.
Well, I have you look. I think I have frostbite.
Dude, I told you it gets cold.
See, look.
Yeah, it should be good. Set it back where I had
Here?
it. Back over there with the little spring.
This one?
Yeah, little spring.
This one?
Little spring, yeah. And little
This
spring, little spring. See the little spring?
Oh, this one?
Yeah, plunger.
I gotta warm my things up with a paper towel or something. Oh yeah, that's better.
I'm recording as I take it apart in case I forget something.
This is operating pressure 80 to 150.
Yeah.
It's got a wide angle and a spray.
Yeah.
Cool beans. Yeah, skip plate. No, I'll put that skip plate back on immediately.
What?
Until I go riding or anything.
Yeah, yeah. And we got to get new bolts for that center one.
I know.
We can't
Hey,
just...
this gear oil ain't gonna leak with this cap on there, right? Like if I put it down like this, it ain't gonna leak.
It might. It actually might. I wouldn't turn that sideways. Ooh, tools is a man's sacred covenant. Dude, how long is this screw? Jeez, man. Jeez, Louise.
Just saying.
I'm just gonna push up on it. Look at that. Genius, guys. Genius. Okay. Oh. Why you no come apart? No, I'll take that. Can you bring me that flathead screwdriver, please?
Yellow?
Can you? Yeah, yellow. Got me think. I thought you were answering a phone call for a second and said yellow. Let's go. Yeah, this little carburetor. No clue. Just making do. Oh, that's cold. No worries. Lord have mercy. That's a thick boy. I'm recording this so I don't forget where I put everything. Everything goes. Go. Oh. Oh, there's stuff in there. Oh, that's nasty. That's dirty. Ethan!
Jackson.
Spray that down very well, carpet. Let me show it before. See? That's a little dirty.
Inside and out?
Yeah, the inside is the important part. The outside can be ugly. This is just like people.
Just go to town on it?
Yeah, go to town on it. Yeah, gaskets. Well, yeah, getting this in is going to be a challenge. I have no clue how to retouch any of these cables. For this, we got a rebuild kit direct from Suzuki. Oh, it comes out.
I'm just trying to warm my fingers back up.
Yeah.
Pretty nasty.
Well, like, not bad. I'm just got to figure out what was clogged to cause it to...
I think it was the float.
Flow.
That's what my uncle said.
Well, this float is moving free as a bird in the wind. Which I don't know if that makes sense, but it does.
Free as a bird now.
Ooh, that's longer than I thought.
That's what she said.
That definitely needs cleaning. I'm not blocking this, am I? If I'm blocking this with my head, I'm gonna be so mad. We all figure stuff out. You get a general premise, an idea, and you just go ham. Okay, so that's a replacement. I got a replacement for that. That'll be put over there in the replaced part area. This, do I have a replacement? We waterboard it with kindness, I guess. This doohickey here. we go about doing all this. We're in Arkansas. I'll do this the proper way.
Are these the jets?
I don't know. I just know it needs to be cleaned. I'm not very technical on the names.
It's got lots of holes.
Yeah, so maybe. What is this doodad?
Okay, this guy's good.
I don't know what this thing is.
I can spray this down on. I can spray this cold ass shit on spark plug.
Carburetor cleaned. Mostly. What battery is my phone at? Let's see. Maybe I'm not as smart as I think. That looks really like that goes in like this. Looks like it goes in there. I'll show this on here. There's a pin coming through there and hooked to that little doodad way up in there. Need a little pick. Hey, Ethan.
Yeah.
Do y'all have any small picks here?
Let me look.
I could use this. I have a replacement for right here.
How small we talking?
Like medium small, but I think I figured out a
I have
solution.
no idea what we have. Let me look.
Oh, there we go. I figured out a
Like
solution.
a little,
Never mind.
baby
Never mind. I
screwdriver
figured it out. I got the floats out.
Good.
Yep. Okay, so there's a plate there.
Good job, Jackson.
Ooh, that's what's in that bag there. Let's replace. Let's see. This might be like a comeback in a couple days and put back together.
It's whatever you need to do.
But I hope not. I hope I get this done today.
If you can get everything done tonight, I would be greatly appreciated. If not, I completely understand.
Yeah. The only thing I think is that is going to suck is putting the throttle cable and gas cable back on.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get that piece out right there on the bottom.
I'm just gonna let you
Using
do
those
everything.
pliers,
I'm trying to stay out of
knock
your way.
that out. Oh yeah, you ain't no way. Okay, I think I've finally gotten everything that I need to get out.
Mm-hmm.
I think. Oh, it comes with all new hardware. I love this. Good job, Suzuki, for this carburetor rebuild kit. These go with... What do these go with? Magnetic screwdrivers, way to go. Okay, where did that go? That's what this is. So you okay. Every single seal so far that I think is supposed to be here has been like eaten away. Just eat it away. I'm being 30 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're on the uphill climb.
Knock on wood! Knock on wood!
There we go. Sure.
Well, it ain't gonna hurt to have extras.
No, I mean, like, I don't know where they go, but...
If you don't think they need them, then fuck it. I'm letting this be your call. I'm letting you pretend this is your four-wheeler.
What's there?
I'm letting you make the move, buddy.
That was there, I'm guessing. gonna guess that that goes like that. So it kind of smooshes it in there. Because that had, the old one had that, and that came out of there, and that was...
If you get cold, let me know. I thought propane needed
here. Oh, I'm good right now.
Okay. Just making sure.
Yeah.
Saying if you do.
Yeah, yeah. Poking out the new one. Got the new one poking. It's probably not the right way to do this, but that's how I want to. Oh yeah, it's working great. This back together. We will never, ever, ever get together. We. Oh, this is what I. Some things I remember. Other things I'm going to have to look at the video to find back. Ooh, I can't do that yet. Oh, got me lacking. Clean, boy. Clean. Getting back
This one's
together.
I'll do this big one.
Slow down, man. We are never, ever, ever getting back together.
You'll never, ever, ever get my carburetor bag together.
How about that attitude we want?
A joke.
Dude, I think you're just crazy. I think we're just crazy.
O-ring oil filter cap.
Can you bring me the baby?
O-ring oil
Can you-
filter cap.
That's what that is. Can you bring me the tiny little baby screwdriver? There's a little baby Phillips in there. I don't want to over tighten anything in here because it's all brass.
You want the chode?
No, no. There's a little tiny precision husky. It's somewhere in the bottom. Look, Ethan, it looks like this. It's tiny, but it's got plenty of personality. Cause we are never, ever, ever getting back together.
End up. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, I need a big one. I do need the chode. That one's not a big enough little footprint. I'm gonna use this one. There we go. Okay, where do I go from here? This was like yonder. Don't know what this doodad does, but it does something.
The wind's getting a little cold. I'm gonna turn the propane on. It might smell like farts. Just FYI. Alright. Okay. Hear me?
What?
So I'm gonna turn the propane on. It might smell like farts.
Oh no, I heard you.
Now, where did I put the light at? I had it when Chick was over. She might have misplaced it.
Don't want this coming out.
Damn, females are crazy.
Yeah, women are crazy. Women are crazy.
Also, the white ones. Where'd my fucking big ass long red lighter go? Oh, I gotta shit myself.
Keep it in the pants.
Didn't feel very nice. It's very unpleasant. Death do to us part.
The little one won't work.
Where is my lighter? Is it all on these
Too
long
far.
decks? Man, I fucking leave shit everywhere.
There we go. It's kind of set.
Is it all
Kind of set.
fucking back mower?
Okay, you.
Did I leave it on it? Did
Set.
I leave it on the back mower? Where, oh where? Could it be?
I swear, if this thing doesn't fix its flooding over issue, I'm gonna be so mad.
breathe, and let's hope it fucking does.
Yeah.
I just can't find this goddamn lighter. I can keep this fucking heat on, but people fucking put shit all over the place, and I can't goddamn find anything.
Yeah, that's just how. That's just the way it is.
I have my little lighter, but I don't know where the fuck it went. Like, legit. I mean, I've seen it, just not recently. Last time I saw it was out here when I was working on a car with fucking Jess.
Where this goes?
8 days ago.
Ooh, that looks right. That looks right, doesn't it, guys? This was the one on the side there. Yeah, the side right here. Yeah. Looks like this. It went in there. Just the way it is. I don't know why the new one has a new design, but it does. Yeah, they really don't go on there. Where's our ring go there?
Probably wouldn't want to light that with a blowtorch.
Yeah, probably not. Just don't turn the heater off. Don't bring it over here while me. I am perfectly comfy.
I'm not. I don't want to close the door because it won't be just breathing in straight fumes.
Hey, you lash this down. Take this off, it's an old one.
Jack?
Thought you were about to say you dropped that in there. I would have been like,
I didn't distract you.
so I gotta stop getting distracted. Me talking to me. Ooh. Ooh, that was scary. Dude, my skin is gonna be terrible for a week or two.
Me too. I mean, yours more than I.
I don't know why they won't hire me out at Suzuki, because I'm not 18 yet. I know what I'm doing, for the most part. Dude, yeah, I think. Go then. Sorry? Well, that's the old one. That's been replaced. That's gotta be replaced. New screws. Hello?
Do you know if it goes on there or
I
not?
just have this random gasket. I don't know where it goes.
Is there a video?
Well, I'm making the video right now. I don't know where this goes. There's several things it fits on. These are just new screws that came with a gasket for some reason. Could use it. Are these just spare gaskets?
Possibly.
It's gotta be, because I don't know what these would go on.
They're spare.
Ooh.
Have to be spares, Jackson.
That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. So I put this thing all the way back here. gonna put it back together and hope.
And pray.
Pray. Pray and hope. The cruddy part's gonna be putting it back in.
Yeah.
I think I did this right.
You know, if you have any parts left over, that you really outdid the.
Yeah. Really outplayed the system there. Well, when I pulled everything off, nothing had gaskets.
Then
So that either they were 8th away or I don't know. But that might be the issue, was that they were a couple things. I added gaskets to some things that looked like they needed. So we're just gonna roll with it.
You have confidence in yourself?
I am a gambling man. And I say there's at least, I would bet $10 on this. On this working.
In staying working.
It's an old fool. There's no in staying working.
I'm not saying perfect.
You have to fix it at some point.
As long as I run non-ethanol gas in it, it'll be okay.
I'm gonna need to rebuild it at some point, dude. Because it's cleaning. No matter what you do, there's gonna be carbon buildup. Gunk. And this is aluminum, so you do not go really tight on it.
It'll fucking bend.
It'll strip out. Strip out before it bends. Okay.
Okay.
If I did this correctly, then we have a working fooler. If not, then I gotta tear it back out, tear it back down.
A different day.
Yeah. We got her alive. She's running. Oh yeah.